Yeah. From the streets to the stadium lights, this is more than a dream.